Today we have a video from Real Body Cams, and the title of the video is Woman Loses It Over a Room She Was Already Refunded.
Cocoa Beach Police!
What? I would like to not be naked in front of y'all.
Okay, put your clothes on. You're gonna get off the property.
No, I'm not. I'm done playing these games. Let's go.
Stop! Why are you doing this?
On September 19th, 2025, officers in Florida responded to a hotel. Management requested a guest be trespassed after she caused a disturbance and refused to leave her room. Here's what the officers did next.
I should have said, I'm sorry, but so that's...
Police question hotel staff as they lead them to the unruly guest's room.
So, is she a former employee or? No. No, I've never heard of her. Okay. I've been here 20 years now. Never heard of her. The only thing we need you guys to do is just let her know that she's trespassed, and then we'll take it from there. Sure.
Knowing staff want her removed, the woman tries ignoring the knocks, hoping they will go away.
She's obviously in there.
Yep.
Ma'am?
That should put the shower on or something.
Cocoa Beach Police, come to the door.
See?
You just turned it on. Come to the door and speak to me.
Cocoa Beach Police, come to the door now or we're coming in. Come to the door now or we're coming in.
Come back later? What she think this is?
Police must ask hotel staff to use their master key to open the door when the woman refuses to comply with their commands.
Cocoa Beach Police!
What?
I
don't think so. I don't think so. No, you don't come into somebody's room like this.
She locked the top.
No way.
Come out here now.
No, I will not. For what reason?
Open the door or you're going to jail.
So what is your problem?
Open the door, you're going to jail.
Why?
You're being trespassed, so open the door.
I'm taking a shower in my hotel room that I paid for.
Turn the key. I got it.
Oh my God. What is
Come to the door now.
No, I'm
not playing games with you.
I'm not playing with you either.
Come here now.
Don't touch me.
Come here.
I'm not even.
Turn around.
Oh, you.
Turn around.
Turn around.
I'm naked.
That's okay, then turn around.
No, get out of here.
Turn around, you're gonna get
Put
tased.
clothes on, please.
Put
Will you
clothes
allow
on.
me to do
Yeah,
that?
put clothes on.
Oh my God, what is wrong with you people?
Put clothes on, go.
Excuse me. Oh my God. Who does this? I paid for this hotel room.
All right, you're being trespassed. Put clothes on.
Why?
They don't have to have a reason. They're a private
I think that
business.
they might.
You're causing a disturbance. There you go. Put your clothes
I
on.
didn't cause a disturbance.
Put your clothes on or you're going to
I
jail.
was taking a shower. Can I go home if I just put my clothes on?
Yeah.
Or am I going to jail no matter what?
No, put your clothes on and then you can leave, okay? If you don't and you want to sit here and play games, then you're going to jail.
I'm not playing games.
You're playing games.
No, I'm not. I'm soaking wet and I'm asking for reason.
Okay, put your clothes on.
I paid this hotel
Listen
for
to me.
a room.
Do you want to go to jail?
No.
Okay, put your clothes on, get dressed, and then let's go.
And you'll take me home.
I'm not taking you home. You can take yourself home. I'm not taking you anywhere. Put your clothes on or you're going to jail. I'm not playing games.
Are you guys going to just take me to jail anyways?
No.
If you continue to argue, you're
I would like to not be naked in front of y'all.
Okay, put your clothes on.
Okay, well, don't look at me.
Okay, put your clothes on.
The guest eventually agrees to get dressed and pack her bags. She's no longer yelling, but she's shifted to a highly sarcastic, passive-aggressive tone.
This guy just got pissed off because
Nobody's pressing charges on anybody, okay?
okay, then what are you doing now?
I want you to gather your belongings, and I want you to exit the perimeter.
I didn't do anything to these people. This is ridiculous.
They don't have to have a reason to request it.
I know, he just didn't like me.
They said that they refunded your money and everything.
I don't believe that.
Okay, let's go. I'm not gonna sit here and wait for you to finish your drink, so let's go.
What else did you do?
Take you to jail.
The guys that couldn't figure out how to put the shower off took me to jail.
You want your
No, I
flip-flops and your cat, or?
That's not mine. That's theirs.
Do you want a copy of your trespass?
Oh, I think it's really cute. They put a fresh rose in there, too.
Do you want a copy of your trespass, ma'am?
Can you email that to me?
No, sir.
Well, yeah, I did that.
Okay, no problem.
All right, walk.
With what, all this shit in my hand?
Yeah, walk.
Okay. You guys are so smart. Till I see you in court.
Okay.
Then I will. Wow, you guys not busy, huh? How many does it take for me?
Well, there's 4 of us, so I think we're coming.
Just in case I was gonna get violent.
You slammed the door in my face. So.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think I did.
You did. It's on right here.
Really? Let me see that. I want to see that because I didn't. I will call you a though.
I don't care what you call me.
Well, I didn't slam the door on your face.
Okay.
What are you, like 20 pounds overweight at least? One. What is the pounds you will not lose the next day?
No, you're gonna get off the property.
No, I'm not.
You are.
Sure.
Okay, are you refusing to leave?
No.
Okay, thought you were.
You wish.
This way.
Kalina makes it out of the building, but legally she's still on hotel property. And instead of walking away, she decides to sit down right on the sidewalk.
I can't carry this.
Well, you gotta move it all over there. This is still their property.
Okay, well, give me a minute. I didn't do anything wrong. Thank you.
I didn't do anything wrong. Yeah, you didn't leave. That's what you did wrong. I don't know what it is. That must be the method. When people have problems at hotels and they want to get out, they just go for the shower method. We just did a video, I think yesterday or the day before, which it was something similar to this as well, where the lady, she was in a towel or whatever, and it's like, is that the method that they think is going to work for you not to leave the whole, oh, I'm in the shower. Okay. Dry yourself off and get dressed and get out. Like that's not going to make people go away or whatever the case may be. Like, no. They'll get you together even if you wet and naked.
Can I please call for my ride?
Yeah, you can go wherever you want, yeah.
Thank you so much. Really didn't get anything.
And they asked for you out, so that's...
I understand.
Okay.
It's just that one guy because I wouldn't sleep with him.
When Kalina refuses to provide her information to police, what should be a simple warning becomes a criminal case.
All right, Miss Kalina, is that how you say your first name?
No.
Okay, how do you say it?
Can I please just use your phone?
No. What I am going to ask you though, what is your middle? Do you have a middle initial or a middle name?
I'm not going to give you any information unless I get a ride home right now from my mother.
Okay, I'm trying to fill out your trespass.
Well, I'm not going to fill anything out for you until I get some kind of clearance from my own damn self.
Okay.
Protection.
All right, so you caused a disturbance. So
I did not cause a disturbance. You're causing a disturbance.
You want me to finish what I'm trying to say or what?
Okay.
Okay.
Go.
You caused a disturbance, so you need to identify yourself. All right.
No, I
So
don't.
I want your birth date because I already have your first and last name, and then I want your middle initial.
If you got my first and last name, then you can figure that out for your own damn self. Right? Smartass?
All right. Do you have your ID on you?
I'm
No.
done playing the games with you, okay?
I'm done playing
Stop.
these games with you.
Stop
No,
talking.
let me get home. Stop interrogating me.
You're about to talk yourself into jail, okay?
Why are you coming at me?
Because you're not listening.
I'm going to press charges against all of you.
Good for you.
Coming at me.
Good for you.
Why are you this
Do you want to identify yourself or do you want to go to jail?
Do you want to keep coming this close to me?
You're not cooperating.
Do you want to go to jail or do you want to identify? Listen,
Just take me home. Like you already kicked me out of my room that I paid for.
Okay, do you want to go to jail or do you want to identify yourself?
Neither.
You don't want to go to jail, okay? All I need is your middle initial
No, you
and your
don't
date
need
of birth.
any of that. You don't need any of that.
I'm not playing these games.
Goodbye. I get to go home now.
All right, stand up. Put your hands behind your back.
No, ma'am. I will not.
You're not going to?
No, I get to go home now. Why are you doing this?
Stop resisting.
Why are you doing this?
Stop resisting.
Why is this happening?
Stop resisting. Roll over.
Stop! Stop doing this to me! Why is this happening? I'll give you whatever you want. What do you want?
Listen, I'm not playing these games with you. I gave you a
It's not
chance.
a game. What the is this? Why is there 4
Stop
cops on
resisting
me?
or you will catch an additional charge.
This is so going to court.
Stop.
Listen, stop resisting.
Let me go.
Stop tensing up now.
Use your other hand.
You're going to catch an additional charge.
Let me go!
Get pepper sprayed?
For
Do you
what?
want to get pepper sprayed for resisting?
I'm gonna pepper spray my eyes when they're closed, idiot.
All right, sit up.
We're gonna roll you on your side, Rick.
Why are you doing this to me? Why are you
Sit
doing
up.
this to me?
All
Let me go. I'm not doing anything wrong.
Stand up.
All right.
No.
Let's go. Ready, one?
No, this hurts. Stop. Why are you doing this?
Stand there.
Why are you doing this to me?
Put it in the car yet.
Ow! Why are you doing this? No!
Fighting.
No! You're not gonna do this!
You're about to get tased.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Game time. Oh, yeah, get on the ground. Ooh. Act right.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
I didn't do anything wrong!
Give your spray.
Huh? Yeah.
I didn't do anything!
If you keep resisting, you are going to get pepper sprayed. Do you understand that?
This is what you little bitch
Giving you a
all
fair
day
warning
long.
to stop resisting.
She slipped one?
Yeah, she slipped them. Okay, they're good.
After slipping one of her handcuffs, officers are forced to double lock the restraints. Now they just need her to stand up and walk to the cruiser. But Kalina decides to use a different tactic, going completely dead weight.
Roll over on your side. Roll over to your side right here. Bring your feet to your chest.
Let's go. Oh, we're going dead weight now? Yeah. Sit you up. And we'll pick you up, all right? All right. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Of the top of her foot dragged across the concrete. She started making sounds immediately. She said, "Oh, oh." Watch when they get her up. Watch her foot. Ooh. Her foot bent back.
Pat her down. She just went to dress, but I
didn't do anything wrong. What the f*** is this?
So far we have trespass after warning, resisting without violence.
All right. Turn around and get in the car. You're already here. The only thing that's going to happen is you're going to get pepper sprayed and still go to jail. There's no point in pepper spraying you. Just sit, stand up, and turn around.
Move! Ow! Ouch! Ow!
All right, watch your head. Turn around.
You guys are
Sit down. Now slide your feet in. Everything's on body cam. You're welcome to come to the Cocoa Beach Police Department anytime, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, and request a copy of the body cam.
With Kalina finally secured in the back of the patrol car, the officers are left to process the scene. Because she refused to walk away and actively fought the officers, she's no longer just being trespassed.
I'm gonna find her ID.
It's in that bag somewhere. I actually saw it for a second, I think, when she was looking for her phone.
Really tiny wrist. I walk in the tiny like.
Yeah.
Can we get resisting charges? One for slamming that door, or no?
The state's like resisting.
After the arrest, she was charged with trespass in an occupied structure or conveyance and resisting an officer without violence. She was held on a $1,000 bond, which she posted through a surety bond.
Unbelievable. All that for no reason. All you had to do was just leave. How hard is that? But you'd rather go to jail and have to pay more fines and everything like that? Doesn't make any sense, man.